November 12, Trump signed the bill, government reopened, and markets popped 1.2% on relief. Now they think the nightmare is over. They're dead wrong. The truth is, the chaos is only just starting. Welcome back to my channel that tells you the truth when the headlines won't. I'm Grant and I blew up 650k in 2022 trading fake narrative and blind data. I'm going to break down what's actually going on and how you protect yourself. I'm not going to let you make my mistake. A 43-day shutdown, the longest in US history, doesn't just pause the government, it breaks the entire economic data system. Now, the White House already admitted October jobs report probably never coming out. October CPI gone forever. Everyone thinks the government reopening means the danger is gone, that everything is back to normal. But that's not how markets work. The Federal Reserve makes decisions based on jobs, inflation, wages, and spending, of course. But those data sets were disrupted. They don't have full visibility, and a blind Fed means one thing: mispricing. Mispricing leads to volatility, and volatility kills undisciplined traders. Think about this, guys. The last clean payroll print we have is September. By the time December data drops, the Fed will have made 2 rate decisions with 0 reliable jobs or inflation prints. That's like driving from New York to LA with the windshield painted black, while CNBC tells you the road is perfectly clear. The shutdown froze official data, but hedge funds still have satellite images, credit card flows, payroll feeds, shipping traffic, and private inflation indicators. Retail traders have none of that. This week is not fair. This week is where retail gets shaken out. With broken data, price action becomes fake clarity. The market starts reacting to rumors, partial numbers, and algos guessing direction. This creates false rallies, violent reversals, and traps that wipe out retail traders. Green candles don't mean a trend, they mean confusion. Here's the part nobody is ready for. Now that the government reopened, the real turbulence begins. You are going to see, first, backlogged data releases. Secondly, you'll see massive revisions. Third, you'll see conflicting signals. Fourth, confusion in the rate path. And fifth, multiple volatility spikes per week. This is exactly the kind of environment where traders blow up. I blew up my first account in a market just like this. Not because I didn't know how to trade, but because I traded in chaos without expecting the risk. If you want to survive this environment, firstly, you gotta trade smaller. Reduce size when visibility drops. Secondly, don't trust the first move. It's usually wrong. Third, ignore headlines. They're based on incomplete data. Fourth, watch yields and liquidity. They'll tell you the truth when the data doesn't. And fifth, guys, protect your capital. This is not a week to be a hero. The shutdown ending isn't the end of uncertainty, it's the beginning. Trade with discipline or the chaos will take you out. Subscribe, like, if you want the signal without the noise. We're doing a full deep dive on the video's upcoming earnings next video. See you then.